Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Our model problem is 632 times 45. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. One thing I would recommend before I start, get a multiplication chart. If you're not fluent in your single digit multiplication facts, get a multiplication chart. If you do not have a multiplication chart, if you go onto your phone and type in multiplication chart into Google and into images, one should pop up with fact families either 1 through 10 or 1 through 12. Very helpful. All right, I am now going to get into the problem. So the reason the multiplication chart is helpful is because knowing your single digit facts, you build off that when you're solving multi-digit problems. So we're going to start off just multiplying the digits in the ones place. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. When our product is 10 or more, we regroup. So the 0 and 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 gets carried over to the tens place. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3 times 5. And then we also have to add the 1 that we carried over. So 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 1 equals 16. Again, we have to regroup whenever our product is more than 10. We have to regroup, so 10 or more we have to regroup. If it's 10 or more, we need to regroup. So the 6 and 16 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 16 gets carried over to the hundreds place. Now we're going to multiply 6 times 5. And then we have to also again add the 1 that we carried over. 6 times 5 equals 30. Plus 1 equals 31. Now since we already multiplied both digits in the ones place, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Now we're multiplying the 3 top digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now we do not need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. 3 times 4 equals 12. 2 and 12 goes in the hundreds place. The 1 and 12 gets carried over to the thousands place. Six times 4 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. So now to get our final answer, we have to add up these two numbers. So 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 4. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus the 1 that we carried over makes it 4. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. So our final answer, 632 times 45 equals 28,440. All right, going to screenshot this and then on to the next one. All right. Gonna do one more problem before I call it a video. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. All right, 737 times 58. That'll be our next problem. So step 1, we multiply both digits in the ones place. 7 times 8 equals 56. 6, carry the 5. 3 times 8 equals 24, plus 5 equals 29. 9, carry the 2. 7 times 8 equals 56, plus 2 equals 58. So that's what we have so far. Now, our next step, we have to multiply the 3 top digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both of the digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're putting a 0 in the ones place. Now we're multiplying 7 times 5. 7 times 5 equals 35. 5, carry the 3. 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 3 equals 18. 8, carry the 1. All right. 7 times 5 equals 35, plus 1 equals 36. Now the last step, we have to add these two numbers together. Six plus 0 equals 6. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Plus 1 equals 17. 7 carry the 1. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Plus 1 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 737 times 58 equals 42,746. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I appreciate you. I was going to stop there, but I'm going to do one more. One more, and then we'll call it a video. All right. 822 times 43. So step 1, we multiply the digits in the ones place. 2 times 3 equals 6. We do not need to regroup because our product is less than 10. 2 times 3 again equals 6. 8 times 3 equals 24. I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place because both the digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Now we're going to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 2 times 4 equals 8. Again, regrouping is not needed because our product is less than 10. 2 times 4 again equals 8. And 8 times 4 equals 2. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 4 equals 32. Final step. Still have some stuff here from my last problem. Let me get that out of the way. Now we have to add these two numbers up to get our final answer. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Plus 1 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. And 0 plus 3 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 822 times 43 equals 35,346. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there was an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.